Hello, in Raleigh, North Carolina, I'm Ethel Constantino. Today, I'm very excited to share with you my recipe of low-carb cheese cupcakes. This is perfect for those following a low-carb or keto diet. Here are the ingredients that we need. A cup of almond flour and half cup of grated cheddar, a cup of mascarpone cheese and half cup heavy cream, 1/4 cup stevia powder and a piece of egg, 1/4 cup melted butter, half tablespoon baking powder, and a pinch of salt. And we will also need a mixing bowl, a whisk, spatula, cupcake pan, wrappers, scoop, and an oven. Before we begin, preheat the oven to 410 degrees Fahrenheit. Then, in a bowl, add the cream. Then add the egg. Mix well using the whisk. Then add the stevia powder and mix well. Then add the almond flour and mix well. Add the baking powder and mix the batter well. Then let's add the mascarpone to the mixture. Make sure to mix the batter well until the mascarpone cheese is fully incorporated. Then let's add the melted butter, then mix until smooth. In the next step, let's add the grated cheese, then mix. Lastly, add the pinch of salt, then mix it very well. Let's now line the baking pan with cupcake wrappers. Place a scoop of batter in each wrapper. Let's bake the cupcakes for 30 minutes in the preheated oven. And here are our cupcakes after 30 minutes. So, what are we waiting for? Let's serve and enjoy! I hope you enjoyed making cheese cupcakes with me. In Raleigh, North Carolina, I'm Ethel Constantino. We live in interesting times.
We hope you enjoyed that video. If you found it valuable, please make sure to give it a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe to our channel. If you're on Instagram, please follow us at EBC Digital Nest. If you're on Facebook, please pay our page a visit and like it. Here at Digital Nest, we continue to make healthy connections with those who desire to grow and with those who aspire to be inspired. We'll see you next time.